What's the meaning of Adelaide? Adelaide. 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 Adelaide is a proper noun that refers to a city in Australia and is the capital of the state of South Australia. The name Adelaide was given in honour of Queen Adelaide, the wife of King William IV. The city is known for its cultural festivals, beautiful gardens, and wine regions. As a major economic hub, Adelaide hosts several industries including healthcare, education, and manufacturing. It has a thriving arts and entertainment scene, with famous landmarks such as the Adelaide Oval Stadium and the Adelaide Botanic Garden. Overall, Adelaide is a vibrant and diverse city with much to offer both locals and visitors.